to get underway with the Coke Zero Sugar 400 from Daytona International Speedway. One spot left for the playoffs. Can someone win and get in? With a big crash happening.